guys, welcome back to Isabella's Quick Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make this COSTCO Almond Croissants. I saw them yesterday. I was like, ooh, new item. These look very impressive. It just really caught my eye. And I was like, oh, people probably don't even know how easy these are to make. So I'm going to show you today. Let's go ahead and get started. To make these quick and easy almond croissants, you're going to need 4 sheets of puff pastry that has been slightly thawed. Layer 2 sheets together and cut out 4 squares. If you're new here on my channel, welcome. I post new recipes weekly. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out. Now, we all know everything from Costco is very big, so you're going to need this 4-inch circle cinnamon roll pan. I'll leave the link down below where you could buy it from, and you could also make some big Costco muffins. For the almond filling, I'm mixing together 1/2 cup of softened butter with a cup of almond flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, an egg, and a teaspoon of almond extract. Mix everything up until the almond cream is formed, and you're going to take about 1/4 cups and fill it into each cup. Don't forget that this full recipe to all my videos are always listed down below in the description. Now, to close these little guys, you're going to slightly pull out the corners of the square and firmly press it down into the middle of the circle. Have fun and play around with the flavors. This is so popular with chocolate chips added inside, or a thin layer of raspberry jam. You're gonna finish this off with a little egg wash. This is the yolk of an egg with a tablespoon of either heavy cream or some milk. And this is gonna give your pastry that beautiful golden brown sheen as it bakes, and will also help the sliced almonds adhere to the croissant. So you're gonna bake this for around 35 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And they're ready. This is what they're looking like. They are very puffy and just, they look so good. One important fact is that you have to flip the pastry upside down and make sure that the bottom is golden brown. I cannot stress it enough, because if the bottom isn't very nicely golden brown, then that means the puff pastry is going to be a little bit raw inside, and you don't want to eat raw puff pastry. Especially since you're doubling the dough, you're doing double layer, you just have to really let it cook. This is what mine looks like. Let's do a little taste test. Mine is I see steam coming out. I know I'm gonna end up burning my mouth. That's the bottom. I really need to get a plate. I cut it open, and this is what the inside of mine looks like. And then this is what the inside of Costco's looks like. Let's go ahead and give it a try. I'm gonna try Costco's first because it's not as hot as the other one. I probably should have warmed this up because I'm sure it's very flaky and crispy if you toast it for a few seconds in your toaster oven. Oh, it is so good. It tastes exactly like an almond croissant. Everything you are expecting. But also, it tastes identical to the regular croissant. All right, now let's try mine. Oh, this one, the texture is just driving me insane. Oh. Cheers. Oh my God. I have died and gone to heaven. It is absolutely incredible. They taste identical. The only difference is that mine was warm. The flavor, identical. The crispiness is unbelievable, and the marzipan inside, it just tastes so good. And there you have it, guys. How to make a COSTCO almond croissant. It was so easy. Did you see that? If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Check out my other copycat videos. I'll leave them down below in the description. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes. All of them always with a unique twist.